Hello everyone. Today we are making rich and flavorful world of Hyderabadi cuisine with a special dish called Bagara Baingan. Bagara meaning tempering and Baingan eggplant. Come together create a curry that's an absolute treat. This creamy nutty recipe is not only delicious but also vegan and gluten free. Let's start by preparing the masala base. In a pan, dry roast 3 to 4 red chilies and 2 full spoons of groundnuts. Once they are roasted, set them aside. Next, dry roast 2 spoons of sesame seeds until they start popping and keep them aside. Similarly, dry roast 2 spoons of dry coconut powder until it turns lightly golden. Just stir it for a while on a medium heat and take it out. Let it cool down, then blend into fine powder. And then add 2 spoons of water, make it into a paste. Now it's time to fry our brinjals. Take a frying pan, add around 100 ml of oil for shallow fry and add 6 to 8 vertically slit brinjals or eggplants until they become soft and change color. This curry is similar to stuffed brinjal curry, but there is a slight difference that in stuffed brinjal, the masala paste is stuffed into the eggplant. But here, the eggplants are shallow fried in oil without stuffing. Fry the brinjals nicely till they change the color and indicates that they are fried well on all the sides. Make sure that it become soft enough within this shallow fry. See how beautifully they changed color. So this dish is very delicious because all the eggplants are shallow fried. Slowly take out the shallow fried eggplants one by one and drain the oil and keep them aside. In another pan, add 4 to 5 spoons of oil. This curry does require a bit more oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 red chilies. Let the cumin and mustard seeds pop for a while, followed by 1 big finely chopped onion. When the onion is about to change color, add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Be careful, don't add ginger garlic paste before adding onion. Try to make it freshly. Sort them well until the raw flavor disappears. Now introduce 1 teaspoon of fried cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of fried coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Sort the masala mix until it blends well. Add the tamarind extract from tamarind soaked in water, or you can use tamarind paste from market. Salt to taste and the prepared nut paste. Add 20 ml of water to it and allow it to cook well along with the 6 to 7 curry leaves. Finally, add the fried eggplants and let the curry cook until the brinjals soak up all the flavors of the masala and nut. Cook until the oil floats to the surface and then curry reaches a thick consistency. Don't forget to check the taste for the right balance of spices and salt. Once the flavors melt perfectly, it's time to switch off the flame. Here is your Bagara Baingan. Serve your Bagara Baingan with Bagara rice, steamed white rice or naan or roti. It's a delicious journey through the heart of Hyderabadi cuisine that you are going to love. Enjoy the dish. Please try the recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Happy cooking. Namaste.